अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आप सभी को ईद मुबारक। तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं एक मज़ेदार डिश, अफ़गानी चिकन। आई एम यूजिंग 1 kg 250 grams of chicken which I have washed, cleaned and drained and kept it aside. So we have two marinations for this. जो पहला marination है, let's prepare that. To a mixie jar, add a handful of coriander leaves, half a handful of pudina leaves, 10 to 12 green chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 2 large onions, juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon salt, around 20 cashews. Now add a little water and grind the first marination to a fine paste. Keep it aside. Now let's do the second marination. For this, take a bowl or a big dish, add 1.5 cups of finely beaten curd, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1.5 cups of fresh cream. You can use any other brand as well. 1.5 tablespoons of kasuri methi leaves. Crush it between your palms nicely and add that to the mix. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now mix everything together very well and then add the first marination paste, that is the prepared green paste. Use an egg beater to mix well. Now add 1.25 kg to 1.5 kg. This masala is enough for 1.5 up to 1.5 kgs of cleaned, washed and drained chicken. Mix well, marinate and keep it in the refrigerator for an hour at least. Now take oil in a pan. Add the chicken. Let's fry the chicken in batches. Add the chicken pieces one by one. Drizzle a tablespoon of ghee over the chicken while frying so that it gives a nice aroma. Keep the flame between low to medium. Fry equally on both sides till 60 to 70% done. Remove to a plate and then fry the next batch. In this way, complete all the chicken pieces. This dish is a little time consuming, but the end result is great. So don't forget to try it out. I've moved the frying pan to another burner. Now let's start making the masala. To start cooking, take a wide, heavy-bottomed kadai. To this, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil and the ghee become warm, add 4 each of cardamom and cloves and 1 to 2 pieces of cinnamon. Add 1 to 2 tejpata leaves, that is bay leaves, and keep some coriander leaves aside for garnishing. Now, after adding the whole spices, add the marinade mixture. Remove, now chicken you have fried and kept it aside, right? So there would be marinade left over. Add this to the oil. Saute for 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat till the yogurt, fat from the yogurt breaks and oil leaves the sides. Now add the roasted chicken along with the ghee and the oil left in the frying pan to give that increased taste. Mix well. Add 2 glasses of water according to the consistency you require. If you want a thicker gravy, add only 1 glass, which is enough for buns as well. But I've made this for around 10 people, so I've made it a little thinner consistency. I've added 2 glasses of water. Cover and cook on medium heat till done. Stir in between. I've left it a little more gravy like, but like I told you, you can always reduce the amount of water you're adding. We are having this with dinner buns and ghee rice. Once it is done, garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Serve hot. Enjoy. Afghani chicken is now ready. So please do try it out. Like, share, and subscribe. Ingredients, as always, mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.